Hi everyone, it's home tour day and I am here in Belvedere, which is just north of Sumter Landing. This is 2730 Morven Park Way. This is my work partner Tina's listing and we're going to meet her in a moment. You got to get to know her because she has a lot of good things coming up and we're working heavily together and you may see her in some of my listings. So I'm looking forward to introducing you to her. She's a little camera shy, but we're going to get her over that. This is a 2018 square foot, 3-bed, 2-bath Lantana. I don't know what they call that down south. Don't even ask because I have no clue. But all of the information about the home I'm going to put in the notes here, following across, so you can follow along. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. Before we get started, a couple of things. I want to make sure that if you're looking for a home, you want to check out my website, robyncavallaro.com. The number will always be up here, and the email address or on the website. Start your search there. You can search by area, price, size, and you can even make notes. You can make hearts, and I can see what you're looking for, and we can follow along to help you on this part of your journey. And check out my book, The Villages Florida Playbook. That is going to be your resource guide on your lifestyle here in the Villages, Florida. All right, that's it. Let's go on inside and meet Tina and take a check out this home. Open. There we go.
Hi.
There's Tina.
Hi.
Tina's a fellow Italian New Yorker.
Hey.
So we all gravitate towards one another. All right, so I'm going to start off with, this is the living room, dining room, but we're going to go over to the left, which is a separate, I'm going to call it a suite. You can call it whatever you'd like. We have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And this one has a low bond, neutral decor. It does have carpet, but it's in decent shape. It feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. This is bedroom that they turned into a sitting room, and it does have a closet. So it is considered a bedroom. Of course, in Florida, we can call them, or our MLS, we can call them a bedroom. If it doesn't have a closet, we just have to indicate there isn't a closet. This has that bow window, which makes these rooms in the front so much larger and airier feeling. And this has a closet as well. Now, currently, today is March, shoot, my watch twisted around my arm, as it always does. Today is March 11th. There we go, sorry. Today's March 11th. There is a tenant in here till the end of April. And they've been renting out this property, and I can get you those figures if you're interested in purchasing this. I haven't had enough coffee this morning, as a rental property. You see it does have a linen closet in here. You could easily close this off if you needed to make it for an in-law or adult child. You could put some kind of enclosure right here to make it private. And remember, I'm going to put this over here. If you're looking for a pre-owned home, you must have MLS, I dropped my sheet, MLS and VLS to make sure you see all of the pre-owned properties. Please do not let anyone tell you you do not need both, because you will shortchange yourself if you're looking for pre-owned, because we all have our own inventory, and I have a video about that. You can check it out. All right, so this is unique. Now, sometimes I've seen people make this a sitting area like this, a game room, a dining room. You know, you can do a lot with the space. There's Tina, big, open, airy, nice backyard. It's kind of private, but we'll go out there in a moment. So we have kitchen, tile floor, white cabinets. This area does have natural gas, which I don't know about you, that's kind of a game changer for me. These appliances look like they're on the newer side. And we do have a interior laundry. I'll show you that in a moment. But here is the pantry everyone wants for the apocalypse of food that they need to keep in their house, because we all know Publix isn't up the street. And it's funny because I hear that all the time. I need a pantry, and I'll just ask, why? You know, it's one of the things when you work with me, you work with Tina, work with Katie, we ask you questions. And I ask you these questions not to challenge you, but to just get you to think, because the pantry thing comes up a lot and the location. And I ask, why do you have to be there? What's the pull? Are you open? Keep your options open, because that will be the best opportunity for you to find a home in the shortest period of time. Do you want to say anything, Tina?
Hi, everybody.
That's it.
Come
Tina's,
check out my house.
she's still shy.
Listening.
All right, so this is the laundry room. This one has more storage. There you go. There's your Instapot and your Ninja. Not a problem. Hey, Tina, this one isn't coming turnkey, is it?
No.
No, it is not turnkey. Furniture is not available. Washer dryer. And then we do have a 2-car garage. Has a little bit of a bump on the side, but you can see you got this big Chevy Tahoe. And let me tell you something. That thing's a monster. I rented a Jeep Wagoneer. I felt like I was driving a school bus. They have the racks on the side, little bump there, so you can get quite a bit in here. And look at that. There's still room there. And water filter and softener. And it does have pull down steps in the garage. And the roof, the HVAC, hot water heater, I'm gonna put those in the notes below because I want you to listen to me and read at the same time. All right. Now, let's take you into the primary bedroom. It's a little area here. It's kind of cute. People decorate this a lot with bookshelves and some pretty photos. Big primary bedroom. I've seen different configurations. So this one has the bed in the middle, but I've also seen where they put the bed on this wall and put the TV on the opposite area. I'm gonna put the TV on that wall, or I'm gonna come into the corner. I just like to give you options so you get to think, because when you see someone else's furniture in here, sometimes my buyers have a hard time visualizing. So you could put your bed where the desk is. You can leave it here, you put the TV there, you could mount the TV on the wall. Where it is, you can mount it here. I got a guy for everything, but he comes with the mount, drops the cords through the wall, hooks it up, looks great, and it's very inexpensive. I think it's like $200. In my opinion, that's money well spent. All right, so we're gonna go into the bathrooms. Big walk-in closet. And it has some extra shelving in here. It's a custom closets. Wow, I got a lot of space in there. Split vanity. And separate water closet. Most of the buyers want that. Shower's big, shower's clean. Sometimes these older homes, the showers are really gross. That's good shape. Okay. And let me know what you think about the home in the notes below. If you're looking for a property, also you want to just drop a, hey Robyn, hey Tina, I want to show this property, I want to see it, or I'm looking for whatever, and we'll come out and help you. Outdoor kitchen with a hood, very nice. This is enclosed. It is not under air, but it's very cool in here. They have a ceiling fan. This is screen, this is open. This is acrylic, so it's not glass, but it's not that saran wrap that I talk about either. And you do have a lot of space. Looks like there might be room. Oh no, I don't know if there's room for a pool. I don't think there's room for a pool here, but we got a lot of pools here. You don't need it. I just saved you $150,000. You're welcome. But when they enclose the lanai like this, if you keep these doors open all the time, This room will stay temperature controlled. You do not have to worry about it being really hot, really cold, but you have to leave the doors open all the time. If you shut it and open it, the air conditioner is just gonna work harder to compensate for that. So this is a nice big area, and you can walk outside where they have the grill, little pad here. See, now, yeah. Gardens here all look like Morticia Adams had a field day here, but we had so much cold weather. The grass has really come back. So it's turning green. But these are your backyard neighbors. I mean, it's not, you know, sometimes even in this price range, you have somebody that's right behind you. Yeah, this is the property line here, which is not good for a pool, but it's good because you don't have a lot of lawn to mow. Whole home gutters. Block and stucco construction. And I guess I'm gonna go back around the front, but let's go back in the house because I took my flip-flops off. I gotta go this way to get around. And in Belvedere, we're probably about 2.5 miles to Lake Sumter Landing, a little further maybe over to Spanish Springs, but all the shopping you need on 466 is a very short. You can take your golf cart, Walmart, Publix, Ace Hardware, what else is over there? Culver's, Starbucks, all the famous fast food chains, banks, gas, everything is really close by. So this home is very centrally located. It's perfect primary residence, but Tina, can you tell me about them renting?
Oh, there is a renter now that will be leaving the end of April.
Okay, do you know what kind of income they're getting? Have they been renting this a long time?
They do for snowbird season, yes.
Yeah, they do. Do you know what?
I don't, but I could find out.
We will find out. If you're interested in purchasing this and renting it, we can get some figures for you. If you want those, just you can either call me, text me, email me. You can call Tina, or just drop a note in the link in the comments, and we'll get back to you. All right, let's say goodbye.
Bye.
We're gonna go outside.
Okay, bye-bye.
So we're gonna take a real quick. Sorry, it's morning. Sun's blaring, but this is the exterior. All right, Tina. Peace. All right. So if you're ready to make an offer on this home, you can call me or you can call Tina. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out that next video. I think you're going to like it. Until then, we'll see you later. Bye.